Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, and today is the 15th of the month. We're in November the 15th, and you know that on this channel, I love to talk about PLR, and I want to give you an update on one of my favorite PLR sites, Secret Weapon PLR, to give you an inside scoop on what's new. That's one of the things that I love about this membership is because we always have something new every single month. And I'm going to show you that here on the inside of the portal here. All right. So listen, if you love PLR content, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. So let's get into it. Right here on my screen, you should see the Secret Weapon PLR. If you're not familiar with what PLR is and you're like, what is that? It stands for Private Label Rights. This is where a creator, a writer will create a product. They will create blog post content, and you as the consumer can have the opportunity to purchase that copy, that content, and you can purchase it, and you are given the license to use it for your own business. So this can look like you purchasing a blog post. Once you purchase it, swipe your card. Now you have the license to use it for your brand. And that looks like you putting that blog post on your website or on Medium, and you have that opportunity to say, hey, this is my content. Okay. So that's what PLR stands for. That's how it is used in this industry. And you can also get the rights to make changes if you want to, change up titles, change up colors. You have the authority to be able to do that. Okay. So this is great. This works great, especially for women like myself who want to create content, and you want to create amazing content, but maybe you don't have the time, or maybe you don't know what to say sometimes. This is where PLR comes into play, but you got to make sure that you are connected to some PLR sites that actually have great content. All right. And the Secret Weapon PLR is one of those sites. Now, I mentioned that you would swipe your card to be able to purchase this said content. However, the Secret Weapon PLR operates way different. You actually can get access to all of their digital products, their content, for a monthly subscription. So you may find some PLR sites have a monthly subscription, which they do at 27 bucks a month. You get access to all of the content that you see here on my screen, which, for example, you have emails, affirmation cards, journals, planners, you have social media posts. So you have all the things that you see here on my screen, and it covers many different niches under health, wealth, and relationship and leisure. Okay. So every month I do a video about the monthly drop. So they have new drops take place inside of the membership. So we're going to talk about that first. So by this being November, these are the new drops. This means that these are new inside of the membership. Not only are they new, but they stay here in the membership. So even if you decide to join in December, these new drops will be there. So you have Building Your First Home Guide, a book review cards printable. You have Money Mindset Transformation Workbook, Transaction Coordinator Checklist. You have Real Estate Photo Checklist, Sobriety Affirmation Cards. I know last month in October, there were a couple of sobriety things, so this will go along with that. You got dissertation cards. You have Master Your Circle Workbook, Get to Know Your Family coloring pages, a school photo farm. You have photo collage template Facebook banner. You have Christmas digital stickers, social media posts for clothing, social media for vacation rentals, especially like Airbnbs. You have a wedding day florist checklist, a microblading work not workbook, but website. Christmas highlights, pet theme, digital stickers. You have a digital planner for 2025 and 2026 that's available. Financial independence calculator. Looks like this is going to be in a Google form. You have auditions journal, first day of school journal, a baby led weeding planner, a stage in your home guide, preparing for your Christmas photo shoot, a footwear coloring book, a minimalist coloring book. You got a groovy coloring book. You have the brand values worksheet, OCD worksheet for kids, building trust worksheet, new parents coupon, kindness coupon, hairstylist gift certificate, kids coupon for reading, printable money templates. You have a thank you to my teacher card, fire safety for kids worksheet, school memory box, printable kit. Okay, so that was a lot. Let me take a drink of water. That was a lot. Okay. All right, so this is the new drops for the month of November. So this is what's new. Now, they also have a trending product for this week. So the trending product for this week is a fire safety for kids worksheet, which we saw in the new drops. And then we also have the limited edition. Now, this is different. The limited edition is very different. Not only does it drop on the 15th of the month, but they also expire. Okay. So you may have seen some of these in the new drop, but these are going to expire. So if you're a part of the Secret Weapon PLR, if these digital products appeal to you, something that you can sell with your brand, especially if you're like on Etsy, you want to go these because they will expire on the 15th of the following month, which is December. So you have the ones I already went over these, but these are the ones that are going to expire. The new parent coupon, the kindness coupon, the hairstylist gift certificate, the kids coupon for reading, the printable money templates, and the thank you to my teacher card. Okay, so those are going to expire on the 15th of December. Listen, if you prefer not to pay the monthly price, you can do the full on buyout license. There are a couple of ways that you can do this. If you see just one product, you like, I just want that one product, it's $27 for one product. If you see a bundle, so if it's a bundle of products together, $97. I'm not sure how that the bundles. I'm assuming it has to be products that go together. Like we talked about sobriety, so maybe you wanted all the sobriety things. That would be $97. But if you want to purchase the whole bias for what's in right now, you can do that for $4.97. And what that means is whatever's here now in November. If you decide to do the buyout license this month, you're going to get whatever's in November. You will not be able to get access to ongoing monthly products because that's the benefits of having the membership. Okay. You get to have access to everything every single month as long as you keep the membership in good standing. Now, I know I always get this question about the license. I'm going to go ahead and go over the PLR license, but I do always get this question is that what if I cancel my membership? Then you will not be able to sell what you've downloaded, okay? Just to be fair, all right? So this is where the buyout license comes in, that if you feel the need that you know that you don't want to pay every single month, I don't mind paying every single month, but you may not want to pay every single month. Maybe you can't pay every single month. Go ahead and get the buyout license, okay? Just make sure that you read over their license so that you are staying in compliant. We operate in integrity, right? Okay, and you're able to actually download this as a printable copy. You can sell these products as a digital product. You can have them available in your membership if you have one. You can generate unlimited sales. You can sell as printed documents. You can sell on your own website. You can share resources with your coaching clients if you have them, and you can also modify the content as well. What you cannot do, you cannot trademark or patent a design. You cannot sell or share as a PLR product to your own clients. So I cannot download a bunch of journals and then tell my clients, hey, you can have these, and you can have them with the PLR license, mean you can make any changes that you want. I cannot be able to do that because that's selling that license. I'm not able to sell the same license. That goes into master resale rights. You probably seen that before, where a lot of people are course, and then you consume the course, and then you can resell the course. You cannot do this with these products. Okay, this does not give you the right to transfer the master resale right. So please remember that, and stay in integrity when it comes to membership. Okay. If you have any other questions, to comment below. If you're new to PLR, let's put a thread down below as well. If you're in law, you like to use it in your business. These are the creators, Jessa and Evelyn. Put a link below their YouTube pages if you can follow them as well. They both have amazing content around digital products, as well as about Jessa is really great when it comes to Etsy as well. Okay. So that's all for today's video. Again, if you have any questions, go ahead and like this video, subscribe. Now, if you are a woman service provider and maybe you have a bunch of PLR and you're not sure what to do with it, then come on over and join the Profitable Publishers Collective. That's where you can get mentorship and coaching from me, and we do cover PLR products. I show you not only how to create your own PLR products, but I show you how to leverage the ones you purchase. Okay, some of you have a lot of content in your Google Drive that you need to create assets for your business, and that's what I'm here for. All right, so I have a link in the description so you can sign up. Just put your name and email address so you can learn more how to work with me in the Profitable Publishers Collective. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Go in, get some PLR, make your business seamless and easy, and create that content.